Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Before we proceed, I would like to hope and wish that everybody stays safe during this COVID situation. Now, today we will be cooking crispy prawn omelette. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to prepare the omelette batter. I have with me over here 2 heaps of a teaspoon of rice flour. Add in the same amount for sweet potato flour. Mix it up a little bit. This is approximately 100 milliliters of water. Slowly add in water and stir as you add them in. I want to make this into a thin batter. So something like this will be good. Now why do I use this combination of flour? Sweet potato flour will give you the crispiness and the rice flour will actually harden up the batter a little bit so that the crispiness will stay longer. I'll now add in 4 eggs. For the seasoning, I'm adding in 2.5 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine or Jiao, as well as pepper, crushed white pepper. We'll mix this up well. When you mix them up well like this, we'll add in the prawns. I have with me over here 120 grams of prawns, which I've cut into small pieces like this. We'll just put all this in and give them a light stir together. Okay, now we'll proceed to heat up a pan of oil. I've already heated up a pan of oil. Fill the pot with about 1.5 inches high of oil, because we sort of need to deep fry this because we want this to really puff up. Now, how do we judge whether the oil is hot enough or not? Of course, you can use the traditional bamboo skewer method, or another faster way will be just to get a little bit of this and just dip this in. If it floats up immediately like this, that means the oil is hot enough. We'll just pour everything in right now. I'm using medium-high heat over here. Once we feel that the omelette has hardened up a little bit on the sides, we'll pour off the excess oil. I'm not reducing the heat right now. We'll need to pour off some more oil in a while. We need to just brown the sides first and the bottom also. As I've explained just now, the reason why we need to deep fry this is because I really want this omelette to really puff up. And if we were to normally just pan fry this, it will not puff up nicely like this. So once the bottom has sort of nicely browned, we will turn the heat down to low and just move the pan a little bit, just to force out the excess oil. Once all this has hardened also, we will just pour away the excess oil again. Now we need to slowly pan fry this now until all the edges are really crispy, and this dish is really very addictive. Now we pour off the excess oil again. Now we have removed most of the oil. Now I'll just do a flip. Now it's okay to have a little bit of burnt over here because I like to have a little bit of smoky flavor. But of course, if you feel that you just want to brown this, then you do not have to fry this on one side that long. Okay, now we just need to brown the other side up a little bit. Now for the last 30 seconds or so, I'll turn the heat up to medium-high and force the oil out. As you can see, the oil is being forced out now. This is what we want. Just push it out a little bit. We are almost done. Let's just pour this oil again one last time. Right, look at how beautiful this is. Time to serve this. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Now just give this a taste. It's crispy on the edges and the egg is really tender. Very flavorful. This goes fantastically well with rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Mm.